Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing veg mayonnaise sandwich recipe. This is full of flavors, texture and colors and also very easy to make. Making it an ideal kid-friendly recipe, school lunch boxes, as a quick snack at home and perfect to pack to bring along to work. So yes, let's begin. For the filling you need cabbage finely chopped, green bell pepper finely chopped, red and yellow bell pepper finely chopped, but it's optional, it's up to you. Then some onions and grated carrots. Then you need of course veg mayonnaise, eggless. Then you need tandoori mayonnaise, it's optional, but trust me, it just double up the taste. For seasoning you need some oregano, black pepper powder and some salt. Last but not the least, you need a packet of bread. I'm using multigrain bread, but you can use any of your choice. Now let's start with making the filling for the sandwich, for which add all the veggies in a bowl. Also, you can add and less veggies as per your choice. Now just mix them all together. Now in this mix add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of veg mayo. Sorry, I lost this one clip of recording. Now in this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tandoori mayo. It's optional step. If you don't have, then no need. Now add all the seasoning in this. I'm adding black pepper powder, then salt as per your taste, and then oregano. Now mix everything well together. At this point you can actually taste it. If you want to add anything, you can. Now take one bread, add the mix on it and spread it properly to the sides. You can make 4 to 5 sandwiches in this much quantity. Now take another slice of bread and close the sandwich. And the same way you can prepare next sandwich. Now cut them into half and your mayo cold sandwich is ready to serve. You can toast it from both the sides if you want to. Do try this at your home and leave your feedback in comment section. I would love to read it. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.